Hey y'all, get ready to score big at your next game day bash with these dog pound sliders. These sliders are not just any ordinary snack, they are a game changer for your taste buds and your party. These little bites are packed with flavor and are so easy to make, you'll want to add them to your starting lineup for every game day get-together. Imagine juicy, perfectly seasoned patties, nestled in soft buns, topped with your favorite fixings. Whether you're cheering on your favorite football team or hosting a casual watch party, these sliders are the ultimate crowd pleaser. They bring people together, creating an atmosphere of fun and excitement. They're the perfect finger food for a hungry bunch, especially if you've got folks who love a classic burger with all the fixings. Think of the joy on your friends' faces as they bite into these delicious mini burgers. The best part? These sliders can be prepped ahead of time, making your game day less stressful and more fun. You can focus on enjoying the game and the company of your friends without worrying about last-minute cooking. So, put on your game day jersey, grab your favorite toppings, and let's get cooking. With dog pound sliders, your game day is sure to be a hit. Get ready to impress your guests and make every bite count. Alright partners, let's rustle up the ingredients for these winning sliders. Don't worry, we're keeping it simple and delicious. For the sliders, 1 pound ground beef, half a cup finely chopped onion, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 1 egg, lightly beaten, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, 12 slider buns, and 6 slices American cheese, or your favorite. For the special sauce, half a cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 tablespoon yellow mustard, and 1 teaspoon sweet pickle relish. Time to get those hands dirty. This part is fun and easy, y'all. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 175 degrees Celsius. Now grab a large bowl and combine the ground beef, chopped onion, breadcrumbs, egg, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Mix it all up real good, but don't overwork that meat. Next, divide the mixture into 12 equal portions. Roll each portion into a ball, then flatten it into a patty that's just a bit larger than your slider buns. This ensures a perfect fit for each slider. Section 4, Baking Blitz Sliders, heading into the end zone. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, the final push to create the perfect sliders. We're in the home stretch now. The anticipation is building and the aroma is filling the kitchen. Place the patties on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure they are evenly spaced to ensure they cook uniformly. Pop those babies in the preheated oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're cooked through and nicely browned. Keep an eye on them to avoid overcooking. While the sliders are baking, let's whip up that special sauce. This sauce will take your sliders to the next level. In a small bowl, combine the mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, and pickle relish. These ingredients blend together to create a tangy and creamy delight. Stir it all up until it's well mixed and set it aside. This will give the flavors time to meld together. Once the sliders are cooked, remove them from the oven and top each one with a slice of cheese. The heat from the sliders will start to melt the cheese immediately. Let them sit for a minute or two. This helps the cheese get all melty and gooey. This final touch makes the sliders irresistibly delicious and ready to serve. Section 5, Beyond the Stadium Sliders for every occasion. Sliders are the perfect bite-sized treat that can be enjoyed by everyone, no matter the event or gathering. These dog pound sliders are ready for their close-up. With their juicy patties and mouth-watering aroma, they are sure to be a hit. Place each cheesy patty on a slider bun, add a dollop of that special sauce, and get ready to dig in. The combination of flavors will leave your taste buds dancing. Feel free to customize your toppings. The beauty of sliders is in their versatility. Some folks love crispy lettuce and juicy tomato slices, adding a fresh crunch to every bite, while others prefer the tangy zest of pickles and the sharp bite of onions. The choice is yours. You can even set up a slider bar and let your guests create their own masterpieces. This interactive setup is always a crowd pleaser. And don't think these sliders are just for game day. They are versatile enough for any event. They're perfect for potlucks, picnics, birthday parties, and more. The possibilities are endless. Or any occasion where you need a delicious and easy-to-eat meal that's sure to please everyone. Whether it's a casual get-together or a special celebration, sliders are always a great choice. Section 6, Calling all food fans. Share your slider story. Well, there you have it, a game day or any day recipe that's sure to score big with your crew. Give these dog pound sliders a try and let me know how you like them. Snap a photo of your slider creations and tag me on social media. I love seeing all your culinary masterpieces. Happy cooking, y'all!